Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Uninstall and reinstall Play Store updates. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. On your Android phone or tablet, open your Settings app. Tap Apps and Notifications. If you don't see it, tap See All Apps or App Info.
Take our lead.
You might need to have a payment method on file, even if the app that you want to download is free. If you can't update apps and you see a message that says, "Your account is disabled" in the App Store, there might be a problem with your payment method. Contact Apple support for assistance.
Take our lead.
If cleaning the cache of the Google Play Store and Google Play services doesn't resolve the issue, try clearing the Google Play Store data. Open the Settings menu on your device. Go to Apps or Application Manager. Scroll to All Apps and then scroll down to the Google Play Store app.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So here's what you're going to do then. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Select General, scroll down to and then tap on Reset. Choose the option to reset all settings. If prompted, enter your device passcode to proceed. Then tap the option to confirm that you want to reset all settings on your iPhone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.